Welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam, guys. And today we are gonna review some solid perfumes. And the house that I'm gonna highlight today is Raihaan Oudh. And this is something very interesting because I'm gonna talk about this very soon. So I'm thankful to a lot of people who are recommending me these houses because there are a lot of people who are not aware about such amazing stuff, such amazing brands, and because of this we are able to do it. So I managed to get some solid perfumes from them, and the price is good. First of all, the presentation and everything is good. So this is how it comes. So I have overall 6 perfumes with me, and some perfumes have same presentation, some have a little different presentation. So let's say this is sensual, and this is how the presentation looks like. It opens up like this. There was a cover, a butter paper cover that was covering this thing, but I had to tear it off because it was not coming off that way. And once you open it like this is how you get your solid perfume. So it is, it sits here quite nicely. The container here is a metal container. You'll be able to see the sound here. It is extremely solid. The best thing that I loved about this perfume is that it has a twist container. So you had to open it like this, and then the solid perfume will come up. This is how it looks like. I used some of it from here. I'll show you how to use it. So this is how the main presentation looks like, and this twist thing is beneficial if in case the solid perfume melts, because in India sometimes in summers the temperature is extremely high, but because of this twist thing it won't spill. So that is the best thing. So I have 6 perfumes with me, and all of them are amazing and beast mode stuff. Just look at the presentation here. It may look a little bit simplistic, but then it's not. Like while you hold it in your hands, it will feel completely different, and it is extremely convenient.
So these are the 5 perfumes that I got, and all these perfumes are FDA approved, lab tested, and extremely safe to wear stuffs.
The first and prime benefit is that it acts as a moisturizer. So you don't need to get an extra moisturizer for this. The size is a bit small, but then you only need a little size in order to smell good, and I'll tell you how much you need.
So this is the best way to apply a solid perfume. It is the same thing like you do with your moisturizer. Just open this and take a small amount of it. Just look at this. You don't need too much. Just rub it on your palm nicely and apply it on your pulse point. I prefer around my neck, on my wrists. I had beard, so I used to apply it on my beard as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Small amount is good enough.
Second thing is that it is alcohol free. So people who are not into alcohol stuffs and alcohol perfumes and stuff like that, they can prefer this one. And a maximum number of ingredients, or I'll say, as the brand claims, all the ingredients used here are natural. So that is something amazing that you can consider. Third thing is that it is convenient. I mean, of course, if you're going on a flight or somewhere where perfume bottles cannot be taken, you can use this. You can just keep this in your pocket. It doesn't leak because, as I said, it has a twist cap. So once you close this, it is closed. Even if the perfume, the shea butter melts, just in case, because in India temperature is quite high sometimes. So if it melts, it will still stay inside, and after some time it will be solidified, but then it won't spill from this jar. So overall, I'll say you gotta need to try this because all of them that I've purchased are beast mode stuff. I mean, they start smelling amazing as soon as you open this cap. So it is good. It is extremely good, and it has this amazing texture. I mean, as soon as you start applying it on your body, you will start smelling good. Plus it is natural, so you're gonna need to try this one at least once. If not everything, just get at least one and see if you like it, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get more because of the quality of this brand. I'll mention their details in the description so that you can directly order through them and get the most out of it. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.